Hi, welcome to Rhino Commands for Beginners. Copy. Change all options in command bar to yes. Tween between two curves. Number 19. Offset multiple, distance 1, offset count 20. Linear array. Number 20. Distance 1. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.